Will you marry me? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Will you marry me?
Hey Dad, can we reach in that top drawer and pull that out?
And then you say,
Hot touch it?
well, do you love me? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, do you love me?
Casey, we need your assistance more.
Terrible for wow.
Okay, ready? You have to do it. 1, 2, 3. Will you marry me? Do you love me?
I don't even know if that's even getting us.
It's getting your
Okay,
baby.
ready? 1, 2, 3. Will you marry me? Do you love me? And then you say, yes, of course. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, of course. 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? And then you say, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Wow.
And then I say,
And then 1, 2, 3. F no.
Heather?
Yes. We're done.